Hey there everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and I am back today with another happy mail idea for you guys. I have a playlist that I'll put in the description box below where I talk about an ephemera swap that I did and also an embellishment box swap that I did. And so now I am doing a pocket letter swap with the Creative Faith design team. So it's kind of a fun little team building exercise, and this is my first time ever making a pocket letter. So I took to Pinterest and Instagram for ideas. I will link my Pinterest account down below. I share a lot of fun ideas over there, so be sure you're following Creative Faith on Pinterest. But I wanted to walk you guys through what I did. So I basically took cardstock and kind of scrapbook paper, and I added stickers on the top to decorate. And at first I thought that like the goodies go on the front of it and this is like a background, but then as I looked, a lot of people had all the goodies behind and kind of decorated the front. So that's what I did. And I added washi tape to the side, and I made a tassel using yarn. I just wrapped it around my hand a bunch and then strung one string through the top, and then did one string around a little ways down and trimmed off the bottom, and I just thought that looked so cool. A lot of people I saw were using like planner charms here, but I don't have any, so I thought making a tassel would be fun also. So my pocket letter I made for Rebecca, and so I'll just go through what is in each little thing. So up here in the top, I went through my ephemera and I pulled out just a bunch of miscellaneous ephemera, some tabs, tags, phrases. Rebecca speaks Spanish, and so I had these that I had stamped that says Dios es amor, which means God is love. So I thought she would like that. And then in here I have stickers. I went through my sticker stash and pulled out some stickers, miscellaneous stickers that I thought she would enjoy using in her journaling. Then over here in this pocket, I found some magnetic bookmarks that I thought would be cool to use. Rebecca could use them in her traveler's notebooks or in her Bible. So I thought that was good. It was interesting to try and find like flat things. Then this little pouch pocket I filled with confetti and stars and buttons. And so I taped it closed, as you guys can see here. I made sure to tape it closed, but I just thought that looked kind of cool. And then I had these big letters I got them at Target like several years ago, and I cut down the R, and so it fit perfectly in the pocket. Over here I have a little tag, and I added washi tape to it, some really fun shiny washi tape to the front and back, and I tried to match this one to the color of the scrapbook paper I used. And then down here, this is actually a patch, so I really had to trim it down. It just barely fits, but I just thought that was kind of cute. It says, don't be like the rest of them. And then I was trying to think of like other flat things that I could put in here, and I thought about a napkin. I love using the napkin technique. I have a YouTube video that I'll link down below where I walk through how to do that. And so I just folded up this fun little flamingo napkin. And then lastly, I included this roll of washi tape. Like I said, she speaks Spanish, and I found this washi tape that says hello, hola, bonjour. So it says hello in 3 different languages, including Spanish. So I thought she would think especially that is fun. So that is my pocket letter, and we did it like in a loop. So I'm sending this to Rebecca, and then my friend Angie, I'm pretty sure Angie was the one who got me, is sending me one. So I'll hop back on here and film again with what I get in the mail. Alright, it's a happy day because I got some happy mail. I just went to my box and found this package from Angie. So I already opened the card and the washi tape. It has sloths on it. Sloths are my favorite animal, and I think it might be a theme in this package. She also found this really cute pin that I thought would be sweet to put on my Bible bag. And then set this aside. And she sent this really cute sloth card, and with a little note inside that made me tear up a little bit. And she sent this really cute Studio Calico Traveler's Notebook. What's funny is that I was looking at this actually the other day, but I am doing a very strict no spend, and so I am like just so excited to use this. I'm pretty sure I am filming this before I go on a mission trip to Mexico, so I think I might bring this one with me to use while I'm there to illustrate and write out what we do and write out prayers and stuff. So I think I might use this for that. So just so fun. I love the pattern and the kind of like adventure feel. So here's her pocket letter. Came dressed so nicely. I want to try and like save the twine. I just think this is so much fun. I wonder what is inside. This twine will be fun to use on a Bible page or my planner or in my junk journal. So that's cool. And then I have a really pretty doily, a few doilies in there, which I love, love, love using as like on backgrounds, and I've seen some people use it as a stencil too, so it's a cute way to package it. And then, oh my goodness, so many fun things. Oh my gosh, she knows me so well. Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness, so cute. And a little happy heart. Little notebook, which is also super cute. And I love this so much. So she went with this really cute sloth theme, and I'm really excited to use these. Oh, she put them, oh, this is cool. She put them on the outside of it. Oh, I love that. I'm so excited to use these in my journaling. I've been using a sloth theme. I actually have it right next to me in my 100 Days of Less Hustle, More Jesus. I have 2 videos on my YouTube channel right now. One talking about my setup and one doing a flip through. And I have sloths on like most of the pages because I just love sloths so much, and they're like just a cute symbol for me of slowing down and what it means to slow down, and how God doesn't want us to hustle. He wants us to be still. So I'm excited to use these as I work through more of that devotion book. So on the back side, oh, the stamp set is so cute. These little flowers. And then we have some stress relief tea. I love drinking tea, not as much as hot chocolate, but it's way healthier for me. So I'm like always stressed out, so that's perfect. And then these really cute enamel dots. I love that. Purples and pinks. Those are such pretty colors. Let's see if I can keep it looking nice. I'll put the little stamp back. Oh, Angie, I love all of this. This is just so perfect. Then over here, we have a little tag and some clips. These are really fun to use. Sometimes I add like washi tape on the top, so it'd be really cute to add some of that sloth washi tape to the top of these little clips and use it in my Bible. Oh, and I love this little sticky notepad, this cute little girl. And this next one, a few more sticky notes. I'm not going to pull them out, but I think that's so cute. Notes and stuff. And then this would be cute to use as a habit tracker or a to-do list. So I'll be using that one a lot. These little tags are fun. Anything little, I love anything little. Anything little is just like always way more adorable. So I can see like writing out scriptures on there. And another little sticky note set that says do this ASAP. And then here we have, these are so fun, little magnetic bookmarks. I love the sloth one, says today, important, you got this, Merp. So I'm excited to use those in my planner. And then, let's see if I can get it back in. And then in here, see some washi tape, more little sticky notes, and some washi samples. I love these neutrals. The airplane will be perfect to use with the traveler's notebook. And then these are really fun, some kind of neutral grids. I love those colors. And then this is really pretty, a little mint to-do list sticky note. And then let's see about the last little pocket. These are such fun little pockets. I probably said fun and cute like a million times in this video, so sorry. And then this one says notes. I love that, with room to write. And then these fun cameras. Oh, I'm so in love with this little package of joy. Angie, thank you so much. This was really fun to open, and it totally made my day. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of these fun videos. And don't forget to check out the other Happy Mail ideas videos that I have. It's just a fun way to, there I go again, fun. It's just a great way to bless someone, and you never know how God's going to use it to impact someone's life and really encourage them. So I would encourage and challenge you guys to send some Happy Mail this week to a friend, a family member, and it doesn't have to be something as big and elaborate as this, but maybe even just a homemade card saying, hey, I'm praying for you and thinking of you. So you have no idea how God will use that to touch someone's life. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!